Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. So, if you're new in my channel, guys, please subscribe. So, in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to trade a volatility index, specifically volatility 25 index. So, how I trade a volatility index, guys, is the similar way on how I trade the indices and currency pairs, but then there's a little bit different when it comes to the time frames, guys. Remember that a lot of volatility index pairs. They are very volatile, guys, similar to the indices. So we should be careful about the time frame that we'll be using. So how I normally analyze volatility index, guys, is to start my analysis on my 1 hour time frame. Remember, when I do currency pairs, I normally start my analysis on 4 hour or daily time frame. But then for this ones, I start on my 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I use it to do what? To look at the what do we call? To look at the direction of the price. So the direction of the price, I would say we're on an uptrend. Why am I saying we're on an uptrend? I believe that we had an impulsive move, correctional phase, impulsive, correctional, and impulsive. Now I believe that the price, it was creating a larger correction. Now it's ready to shoot to the upside. So I'm gonna clear everything here. So since we did identify that we are on our uptrend, guys, now I have to look at the nature of the price and which nature are we. So I believe that the price moves in this nature. We have an impulse, we have correction, impulse, a series of those things. So in which nature are we? I believe that we are still in a, I'm sorry for that, um I still believe that we are in a correctional phase, something like this. So anticipating the next impulsive move here. So let's dive deep into the analysis with this one, guys. I just want this thing here. So I'm just gonna mark my important areas. So I have this highest high based on the current price, and I have this low over here. I think it's gonna be this one. Yeah. But then this one, I can mark this order block here, something like this. So I believe that the price, it has to come and fill this gap here. So how am I gonna go when it comes to this pair? I'm gonna identify those falcon patterns, guys. I have one here. Mm, I have something like this here, and I have another one below here. It's typically our support and resistance trend line, guys. But then remember, we're not mainly focusing on support and resistance here, guys. We're looking at the patterns. So it's safe to say that the price this side, it was pushing to the upside with a series of high highs and high lows. Hence, I marked this order block here. So what really happened? The price came to mitigate this order block, and then now we're anticipating the price to come and fill this gap right here. So how it came here, guys, we can all agree that it came impulsively to mitigate this order block here. Then we were not gonna be involved when the price came this impulsively like this. So how am I gonna get involved when it comes to such such things? I believe that patterns are the one that would have led me inside this trade. I see a reversal pattern here deep inside the channel. Hence I said that the first continuation pattern inside the channel or outside the channel has high probability of playing out. So I still believe that we had a continuation pattern here, and now I still believe that the price is giving us some form of a continuation pattern here again. So remember, as I said, it's impulse, correction, impulse. Now I'm gonna move into 30 minutes time frame. Okay, here's here's our 30 minutes time frame, guys. So before coming to the current price, guys, I just want to highlight that here it was our last low. Let me actually change this to black. Okay, believe that is black now. Here it was our last low, guys, before the price took out this low here. So now I would say that we had a change of character in this case. So I'm gonna quickly mark this one as a change of character. I'll name this one a change of character. Okay. So but then not forgetting that we do have break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure. We have multiple break of structures, guys, as the price moves in a series of an impulse and a correction, guys, or a series of higher highs and higher lows when it is moving to the upside, guys. Yeah. So now I wanna mix my Falcon with SMC, guys. Let me try to zoom in. Here we had an order block here, guys. I think that it's starting somewhere there. Sorry for that. I think we had an order block and the price came to mitigate that order block. This side too, we have an unmitigated order block, guys. Remember marking these order blocks where there is only a break of structure. There's an order block here. Right? So now if I may focus on the current price, remember we had a break of structure again here. So if we would continue with this one, I'll try to open my 15 minutes time frame and see what really is going on. Okay, so on my 15 minutes time frame, guys, I think that the price would give us a nice continuation pattern and then we continue pushing to the upside. But then when it comes to this trade, guys, it is not, there is no enough risk to reward ratio. I cannot be targeting the 90% rule here and then my stop loss being here. So I have to go back to my 30 minutes time frame. The reason why I'm going back to my 30 minutes time frame, guys, is to show you this market structure. Basically, this one here, meaning this Falcon pattern here. So how am I gonna take this one? I'll be targeting the 90% of this one, of this bigger Falcon pattern rather than this one here. So my stop loss is gonna be below this order block here. In case, in case I In case one happens to take a position here, get stopped out, there's still another order block here, guys. Don't forget, still have another unmitigated order block. You take a loss here, you wait for this one here, guys. But then, since trading is a game of probabilities, guys, I think that this current order block is the one that would play out, guys. Yeah. So, but then there's also a liquidity above this order block, giving us the probability that giving us higher chances that this price will push to the upside. I think that with this nice continuation pattern, meaning we're an impulse, with this nice continuation pattern approaching my order block and mitigate it, I believe that the price is going to push to the upside like this, guys. Yeah. So this is how I trade a volatility index, guys. Specifically volatility 25 index. I do trade this thing a similar way I trade the indices and currency pairs, guys. Yeah. So if you got value out of this position, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, guys. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.